What is this sound? I don't think it's associated with the blower or the fan. It sounds like a coffee percolator. Any ideas?